Hi, in front of me is Realme C51 and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluid. First of all, go into Play Store, click and click on the search bar. Then type in Magic Fluids. Following that, you need to get free app called Magic Fluids Lite Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist developer. When it's ready, open it. You can mute the music right away by hitting the bottom left corner. Now tap on those three lines at the bottom right one. Hit Set as Live Wallpaper and click on this gear at the top right corner. Now you need to tap on I accept in First Things First pop-up and adjust all of those options however you want to. You can also select presets at the top left corner. Tap on the one that you wish to apply and select Yes in the pop-up. When you're ready, go back and hit Set Wallpaper at the bottom. Then decide where you wish to apply it, or home screen and lock screen. I will stick with home screen only, so when I click and go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!